Do you wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep? Do you feel bloated after every meal or struggle with brain fog that just won't go away? We often ignore these small signals, thinking it's just stress or getting older. But experts suggest that these aren't just random symptoms, they are desperate cries for help from your internal organs. Your body is a self-cleaning machine. It is designed to filter out waste 24 hours a day. But in our modern world, between processed food, pollution, and stress, the filter gets clogged. When your liver and kidneys can't keep up, the toxins start to spill over into your blood. Today, we're revealing the 7 silent warning signs that your body is overloaded with toxins. Number 1 is something you probably noticed this morning in the mirror. And number 7 is the real reason you cannot lose weight. Welcome to MindBody Remedy Lab, where we turn ancient wisdom into modern solutions. Before we begin, remember, your body talks to you every day. You just need to learn its language. Let's decode the signs. Sign number 1, the white coating. Go to a mirror right now and stick out your tongue. Is it pink and clean, or is there a thick white or yellowish film on top? In Ayurveda, this coating is called ama, a toxic byproduct of undigested food. It means your digestive fire is weak and bacteria are breeding in your mouth. This isn't just about bad breath, it's a clear sign your gut is struggling to process what you eat. If you see this, start using a copper tongue scraper every morning before you drink water. Sign number 2, persistent fatigue. We are not talking about being tired after a gym session. We mean that heavy, sluggish feeling that coffee cannot fix. When your body is fighting a toxic overload, your adrenal glands work overtime to manage the stress. Your energy goes entirely towards detoxification, leaving zero fuel for your brain or muscles. If you need 3 cups of coffee just to feel human, your body is begging for a break, not more caffeine. Sign number 3, the skin map. Your skin is your body's largest organ, and it is also a backup exit for toxins. When your liver is overwhelmed, the body tries to push waste out through the skin. This shows up as adult acne, unexpected rashes, or itchy skin. Experts often say what happens inside shows outside. No amount of expensive cream will fix a skin issue that starts in the liver. Sign number 4, bad breath and body odor. Have you ever brushed your teeth, used mouthwash, but the bad breath comes back an hour later? Or maybe your sweat smells stronger than usual. This is often a sign of a sluggish liver. When the liver cannot process toxins, they accumulate in the blood and get released through the lungs and sweat glands. It is your body's way of venting out the garbage. Sign number 5, chronic bloating. Does your stomach feel like a balloon after eating? This suggests that your gut microbiome is out of balance. Bad bacteria are fermenting your food instead of digesting it. This connects back to what we often discuss on this channel regarding spices like turmeric and garlic. Without the right digestive fire, food sits in your stomach and rots, creating gas and inflammation. Sign number 6, brain fog. If you walk into a room and forget why you are there, or you find it hard to focus on simple tasks, it might not be aging. The gut and the brain are connected by the vagus nerve. If your gut is inflamed from toxins, your brain will feel inflamed too. This is often described as leaky gut, leading to a leaky brain. And finally, sign number 7, stubborn belly fat. This is the one that frustrates people the most. You diet, you exercise, but the weight around your midsection won't budge. Why? Because many toxins are lipophilic, meaning they dissolve in fat. To protect your vital organs like the heart and liver from these toxins, your body traps them inside fat cells. Your body is literally holding on to fat as a safety shield. Unless you detoxify, your body will not release that fat. Now that you know the 7 warning signs, you're probably wondering, how do I fix this? You don't need expensive pills. Here's a simple 3-step Ayurvedic detox plan you can start tomorrow morning. Step 1, the morning flush. The moment you wake up, Before checking your phone, drink 500 milliliters of warm water with half a lemon squeezed into it. Why? Your liver works all night to gather toxins. The lemon water acts like a flush button, pushing those toxins out through your urine before they settle back in. Step 2. The CCFT. This is an ancient secret used by yogis for thousands of years. It stands for cumin, coriander, and fennel. Take half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Boil them in 3 cups of water until it reduces to 2 cups. Strain it and sip it warm throughout the day. This tea is powerful because cumin burns toxic waste, coriander cools the liver, and fennel fixes digestion. It's literally a scrubbing brush for your intestines. Step 3. The 12-hour fast. This is the easiest step. If you finish dinner at 8 p.m., do not eat anything until 8 a.m. the next morning. This 12-hour window allows your body to switch from digestion mode to repair mode. If you're constantly eating, your body never gets a chance to clean the house. Try this routine for just 7 days and watch how your energy returns and that white coating on your tongue disappears.
So, what can you do? You don't need a fancy juice cleanse. Start simple. First, drink warm water with lemon immediately after waking up to flush the liver. Second, stop eating 3 hours before bed to give your digestion a rest. And third, incorporate the natural remedies we share on this channel.
Your body is resilient. Give it the right tools and it will heal itself. Which of these 7 signs have you noticed in yourself? Tell us in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to MindBody Remedy Lab. Here's to a cleaner, healthier you.